Walaikum boss.
Walaikum assalam.
How are you boss?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Boss, I'm too much sick boss.
Where are you right now?
Right now boss, I'm in housing.
What time duty is your today?
Boss, 9 o'clock.
What time is it now?
Right now, boss, 10 o'clock boss.
Okay, I give you 5 minutes. Please come.
Boss, please boss, try to understand boss. I'm too much sick boss. I can't talk boss. I can't talk because blood coming out in my throat.
What is your problem? Please tell me.
Suddenly was fever and coming out blood in my throat. Boss, please understand, boss.
No excuse, please. No excuse.
No, boss. It's
I say no
please,
excuse.
boss.
No excuse.
It's
Please come.
not a excuse, boss. Please, boss, understand, boss.
I give you only 5 minutes. You come. Please come. Don't be excused.
Okay. Okay, boss.
Please
Okay.
hurry up.
I'm
Hurry
coming,
up.
boss.
Please come.
I'm
Don't be excused. Okay?
Thank you,
Bye
boss.
bye.
এই প্রবাসীর জীবনটা এতটা সহজ নয়। জীবনের প্রতিটা মুহূর্তে নিজেকে বিলীন করে দিতে হয়। প্রত্যেকটা সময় অসুস্থতার কাছে নিজেকে কোরবানি করে আবার কাজে যেতে হয়। আমাদের মন বলতে কিছু নেই, আমাদের শরীর বলতে কিছু নেই, আমাদের কষ্ট বলতে কিছু নেই।